Hi friends, welcome to Sridhar Jalapati Aptitude Classes, an initiative of Triumphant Training Solutions. This video is all about puzzle number 15 of Train Your Brain series. Before this, I have already uploaded 14 puzzles. I'll be sharing the links of those 14 puzzles in the description. You can watch them. And here is puzzle number 15. Find the total number of triangles in the following diagram. How many triangles are there in the following diagram? So for that, I'm giving you 20 seconds and your time starts now. Time is up. So I'm sure you are ready with your answer. In case if you are not ready with your answer, you can still pause the video and continue watching the video after you getting the answer. Now, normally we try to calculate the number of triangles in this figure manually. So when you calculate the triangles manually, then it may take a lot of time. At the same time, there is a chance that you may miss some of the triangles or you may add some triangles multiple times. You may consider them twice or thrice. So to make sure that you will get the answer in no time and accurate answer, first I will give you shortcut method and then original method. So here is the shortcut method. When the triangle is divided into smaller triangles from a line from the base, from the line from the vertex, and the lines are drawn to the opposite base. Here from this vertex, five lines are drawn. Four lines are drawn to the base. So one, two, three, four, five. We have five segments. By drawing the lines from the vertex to the opposite base is divided into five parts. So as the base is divided into five parts, I'm writing five numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just add these 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that 15 is the answer. So total number of triangles in this arrangement is 15. Suppose if the situation is something like this, from the vertex, if the if one line is drawn to the base, then now base is divided into two parts. Now in this figure, total number of triangles is 1 plus 2, 3. Suppose from the vertex, if three lines are drawn to the base, then 1, 2, 3, then total number of triangles is 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. Suppose from the base, from the vertex, if four lines are drawn to the base, need not be equal. If four lines are drawn to the base, 1, 2, 3, 4, then total number of triangles in this arrangement is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is 10. So in this given arrangement, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 15. Therefore, number of triangles in this arrangement is 15. This is shortcut. Now, if you want to know actually what is the answer, and I mean, if you want to count them manually, so there are five triangles of smaller size. Of size 1, I say this is one triangle. So this is second, third, fourth, fifth. So of size 1, there are five triangles. Of size 1, five triangles. Size 2, this is called a triangle formed with two triangles. So 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4. So number of triangles with of size 2 are 4. Next, let us see the number of triangles with size 3. This one is called a triangle with size 3 because it is formed with three smaller triangles. So 1, and then 2, and then 3. So of size 3, there are three triangles. So with size 4, one triangle, this is one triangle with four smaller triangles, and this is one triangle of size 4. So there are two triangles with size 4, and finally one biggest triangle. Finally, one biggest triangle, so which is called of size 5 because that is formed with five smaller triangles. So if I add all those, 9 plus 5 plus 4, 9, 12, 14, 15. So even if you count, you will get the same answer. But don't you think manually counting is little confusing and takes a lot of time? So best one, that shortcut method. Hope you understood the answer. So in case if you like my explanation, like the video and share it with as many friends as you can. Do not forget to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, first subscribe to my channel immediately. Press the bell icon to get all the notifications and encourage me with your comments and opinions in the comment section. Thank you.